Melt the ice cubes into colorful juice. Help the wet lamb to become dry. Let's make a little popsicle.
Try
Let's make a little popsicle. Freeze a bunny ice sculpture. Melt the ice and take out the pinwheel. Think about it again. Melt the ice and take out the pinwheel.
Try again.
How to dry the wet puppy. Think about it again. How to dry the wet puppy. Think about it again.
Try again.
The shower head is frozen. What should we do? Make a delicious popsicle. Which item can dry the wet lion? Which item can dry the wet bunny? So many fruits. How do we get them out? Think about it again. So many fruits. How do we get them out?